everyone, my name is Cole. Okay, I'm done. So today I'm gonna show you all my toys. My good toys, not the bad toys. Okay? Okay, let's go to first one. Meow. Okay, so all under here. So this is first toy I can show you. It's a fake gun. If I recommend you to go see Mickey Chong. Mickey Chong got show you this fake gun before, right? Yeah, this fake gun. This is the fake gun. You hear? It's kind of spoiled because I think I pressed too much. Can you see? You are police! Okay, done. This one. On to the next toy. So the next toy is an aeroplane. Should have a remote. You know, I don't want to go here because this is my bed. I mean, this is a bed. It's kind of dirty, so I just sit here. Like airplane. You have a remote. This is the remote. Just go front and back, front and back. That's all. Okay. On to the next one. The next game I have is Cross Eye. I haven't played yet. I also never played before. This Cross Eye. I'll do the Cross Eye game in one video, I think. If I didn't do, then this was not my phone because I said I think. On to the next one. The next one is DIY Sunny Park. It's like what's this? A fairy. It's like you need solar to shine on the solar system, so it can turn. Okay, let my sister show you. Take the wood. Sun. Yeah. My sister's gonna show you what we did with the solar system. Come. Whoa, look at this. Give me a flashlight or something. Oh, give me the flashlight. There. Sam. On the thing. F1. Come on. Where's 4 seconds? Okay, this is very special. This is very special. Look at this. Oh no, my phone keeps dropping down. Okay, just hold it. Look at this. As long as I see, as long as I shine it, look at this. It spins. Oh, this is solar system. It's a blue thing, and it spins. Yay, so nice. Okay, done. On to the next toy. This is so nice, right? I recommend you to buy this, but I don't know where to sell, so bye-bye. But the next toy is the Oak Barrier toy. Okay, this one I did a challenge just like a minute ago, maybe 45, I don't know. This is the this is the barrier. This is the pirate, and you have to put the swords into the holes, and you must press down like something here. Just press down, then put your Mr. Man inside. Then suddenly some of them randomly you chop one sword inside you will boom. Yeah. Okay. On to next toy. Next one is always 10. It's also a match game like Cross Eye. Cross Eye. It's like a match game. I don't know. I didn't play it before because I don't time to play with my sister. Yeah. This toy I think it's quite nice. Yeah, the instruction manual. So how to play, and they gave us a free this thing. I don't know how to call this thing. I'm very bad at English. Okay, next. next one. Oh my gosh, it's the shotgun.
It's an ugly gun.
Yeah, quite ugly lah. See this shotgun? It came out sound. You see, you was like pull quite hard, then press here. A shotgun. I shoot someone from. Okay, on to next one. Oh, the next one quite unique. This is the Minecraft torch. It's $69. If you can't see, it's about 69. 69. Okay, 69. I think you can't see it. I know, 69. If a member of this shop, 67. So this torch, you can lift up. Look at this. Yeah, look, it's so bright. See, it's like that, right? It become like that. On your screen is like white color. You see, the white color, but come on, yellow color stuff. But on me, I can see like brighter a little bit. For you, it looks like very bright, but I guess it's normal. Like, yeah. Okay, on to the next one. I bought this for $69. But worth it though. Okay. Next one is a fake machine gun. No batteries. I didn't power any batteries inside. I took them out to use it for other toys that need battery. This is actually a machine gun. This is a fake ammo. This is a fake thing. The fake gun. It's called the Super Raro. Yeah. Okay. On to the next one. Oh, this one is quite large. This one is so large. This is the retail.
What was that?
I don't know how to spell. So sorry, yeah. I don't know how to spell.
Retaliator.
Retal.
It's just a Nerf gun.
Retaliator. Elite. Retaliator Nerf gun. Elite. Retaliator Elite gun. Nerf gun. It's so big. Look at this.
You got it as a gift.
Yes, it's not from my aunt.
No, it's my mommy's friend.
Yes, from my mother's friend. That day was so happy. Can you shoot any arrow? Sam, be careful. No, it's not ammo. Sorry.
It's not.
Okay.
It's got bullets.
Yeah. The next one I have to go take. So wait for a second. Right back.
Look at this. Hi. I'm his sis. Do I show my ugly face? But never mind. I am very
Okay, I got it. Okay, first I have a Minecraft sword. I don't really know what sword it is, but it's rubber, made out of rubber. Just kill us out.
I find it very uncool.
I'm dead. R.I.P.
Do you think we should decorate this? It's quite boring.
This? Oh, this one. My sister say we should decorate this because it's quite boring.
Nah.
But how are we gonna decorate?
I think you just use poster paint and just...
Okay, in another
No,
video.
actually, if you paint wrongly, right? Very
Yes.
bad. Just decorate it
Okay.
with beads.
So in the other video, we're gonna make the wooden solar kit design better. Yes. Okay.
DIY.
Now back to the real one. This sword is very light, very thin. This part is quite big. This part is quite small, and this like very nice, very unique. It's an epic sword. Okay, next one. Oh my god, I have.
I'm gonna do my homework, so bye.
Alright, okay.
Don't disturb me,
Okay. Okay, this is the Minecraft diamond sword, as you know. If you like play Minecraft, I also like. So this sword is this sword is like lighter than this sword. This sword is like bigger. So it's like bigger. This sword is like thinner. That's my sister. Sorry for disturbing you. Okay, this sword is heavier. This one is thinner. But their texture is different. This one looks cooler than this one. Oh no, diamond sword in normal Minecraft. Normal. Diamond sword the best. But in like crazy craft, other craft, but it's Minecraft.
Modern survival.
Yeah, modern survival, all that. Got mods, got all that type of thing. They all have different type of sword. Like there's a lot of sword, but only have this. I think this is in the modern adventure mod. I don't know what. And this is the diamond sword. Last but not least, I got two more. Sorry, I need to take the two more. Right away. Okay, I'm back. Hello. This is my second to last toy. Look at it. If you know Porsche, comment down below, say I know Porsche. Yes. Okay. It's red. Who likes red? I like red. If you like red, I'll give you the best. Wish you luck. Okay, and this is the remote.
If you like it, like the video.
Yes, like the video and subscribe. And put the thumbs up, okay? And the remote. You know this is dirty because I cannot play outside. Also it's dirty. Make the wheel a little bit dirty. So I don't put it on the bed. I decided to just show you like that. But I also can on the thing. Shining at you, shining at you, shining at you. Yeah, what's that? The red light. See red light. So, and the wheel moving, you can hear. See? Yeah. So nice. I like this the most, I think. Yeah. Okay, the last one I need to find currently. Because I don't not sure where it is. So, wait a minute. Hi, remember me from the House You Are Born? Yeah, I'm one of them. Hi, nice to meet you people. Does my face look weird? Oh, I'm back. Oh no, he's back. This is a sea lion. The last one is Chinese chess. Okay.
It's kind of boring.
Yeah, for Chinese people like me, I'm Singaporean. I'm not USA. I'm Asian.
Of course, everybody knows I'm not.
Look at this. Chinese chess. If you like Chinese chess, put a thumbs up. And that would be awesome. Okay. Okay, sorry, I have to end the video here. So this is the end of the video. So goodbye. Bye bye. Can we hit 100 subscribers? Please. I want to hit 100 subscribers.
Maybe 10 subscribers will be easier. Now we only have one, which is me.
If I have 100 subscribers, I'll do a special video.
10 subscribers, maybe.
100. Please, 100. I beg you 100. Okay? Please. If you can, you are a awesome person. Wish you luck. Okay, bye-bye.